god, now I have to guess. Thank you, man. Oh no, I seriously have a hiccup. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, sorry to disturb you. Ah, did I? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh crap! Oh crap! Ah. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Jedi, no! I know! The little things. Oh my god. Thank you, Orna! Ah! Oh my god. What the? What did I do? This is awful. Be so classy on Friday night. Thank you, Bear! No! Maybe, I don't wanna. Thank you, Rad! Thank you, Bear! Yep. Oh my god. How? Thank you, Bear! Oh my god, I can't stop! I can't stop! Hi, Joe! Thank you. Oh, oh my god. No, Bam! I'm not calling anything. Andrew and root beer float vodka and hiccuping for eternity for your face. Bam. No. Thank you, Chad. That don't scare me. No, I will not drink vinegar. Oh. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Don't take me. Professor. Professor Batman. Bam! Thank you, Bam. Thank you, Jedi. Good night, Tamok. I mean, good morning. Ah!
Didn't think about my lady. I know that sounds kind of mean. But me and my old lady falling into the same.
Bam! Thank you, Dad. Oh my gosh. No, it's not. Wait, why is it? No, it's at 61. Right? Wait, is that right? Yeah! Gamer! No, complete! I don't know why it didn't update. Hold on. I'll fix it. Woo! That was literally at the buzzer.
So I waited with high hopes, and she walked in.
Oh my god.
I knew her smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her.
Thank you, Graham. Thank you.
It was my mother lady.
Oh god.
And she said, oh, it's you.
Oh god.
And we laughed for
I can't stop. Now my nose is running. This is problematic.
I never knew.
Hey Shiva, you gotta move. You're so in the way. I can't get comfortable here. Oh my god. Okay, Stitch. Stitch alone. Stitch. Oh my god! You can stand in front of the heater if you want. Jedi! Oh no. I gotta pour this before I hiccup again. Shit. Oh, she was so happy in front of the heater. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Bam! No, I can't actually do that. So no, it counted it. It updated on my countdown thing, but not on my topic for some reason. I don't know why it didn't update it. It was weird. It was weird. But no, it's good. It's good. Oh my gosh. No, it counts everything. It counts everything. I'm gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop yawning. I'm gonna stop hiccuping. For fuck's sake. 2. No more hiccuping. Yes, Faye. Thank you. As I hiccup, so no more hiccuping. Clan Gates, no more hiccuping. I'm gonna wait till I hiccup again so that I don't hiccup as I'm trying to drink this. That would be terrible. There we go. Clan Gate! Woo! Woo! At least I didn't hiccup it up. Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha! Is the hiccups gonna stop? I mean, are the hiccups gonna stop?